Let's see what's out in the driveway. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you watched the end of my last video, I talked about getting like a daily, something to work on. So I did get a budget project daily. That's what I'm gonna call it, because I don't want to spend a lot on it, and it's pretty much gonna be a daily. So I need you guys to help me figure out what I should do with it. All right, well, here it is. An 01 E46 325i. Got it off of Facebook Marketplace. It's got some sun damage on the clear coat, but I'm gonna see about getting a quote for paint. It's probably gonna be more than what the car is worth, but we'll see what's up. Original owner put in clear side markers, got the LED headlights, M3 wheels. It actually has coilover, so it's already stands pretty good, I think. A little shot right there. Thing looks pretty clean. Has 112,000 miles on it, I believe. We got the blacked out trim on the windows and everything. A little more sun damage on the trunk. We got the updated tail lights. A couple of dingers, little dingers. You can barely see them though. The roof's bad. You can actually just take this and like just peel it. Just get that on these big jobs. Little curb rash, but whatever. Got the original owner put black kidney grills. All the trim looks good. Inside, this is a driver's seat. There's a little wearing. For 112,000 miles, this thing's pretty. That dirt's for me. This thing's pretty mint. Even the back. Oh, and the unlock button for the doors is like right here. It's not on the actual door panel. That's for the windows. Let's check that out. I mean, looks a little dry. Could use some rejuvenation, but I mean, things are clean, man. Got a crack in that, but whatever. Carpet's clean. I mean, thing's pretty sharp. Let's get in. Let's figure out how to get into the trunk. Let me see. Oh, there's a button on the back to get into the trunk. Wait, somewhere. There we go. Spacious. Can hold some groceries in like the vet. I think this is the skid plate or skid, whatever, the guard that goes under the front over the oil pan and stuff. Got a couple of little nicks. It's a solid car though. Inside we have wood grain, the fake wood grain, you know, all leather. This was taken really good care of. Headliner was professionally redone. I think he did the A-pillars. Let's see, sunroof Sunroof. Needs some sliders for the sunroof works. CD player, I haven't seen a CD player in a while. It would be nice to get an updated deck for that. Rear seat and everything looks good. I mean, this dude took really good care of the car. We got the red gauges. Starts up good. He replaced all of the parts that are prone to failure, especially at this mileage. So that's a plus. The lines are replaced. So really the only thing, let's see. Oh yeah. Purrs like a kitten. Alright, let's pop the hood and check this thing out. I didn't know this, but the hood latch is right there, and then I found this out. The other latch is right here. You pull that, open the hood. You see the coilovers. Yeah. Alright, I turned it off so you can hear a little bit better. But I forget what all he said he had done. I'd have to get he kept a documentation of everything he did, but it's a 2.5 liter inline 6 automatic transmission, but I could always swap that out, get a rear diff, drive shaft, you know, that would be pretty cool, a little project. Yeah, definitely not 800 horsepower, but it's cool. I like it. There's the headlights on. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, the trim's good. I think this little sun damage, but it was cracked. He replaced that, so he took really good care of it. I mean, for a freaking Facebook purchase marketplace, that's and what I paid for, that's freaking awesome. Everyone that I was telling about was like, man, I expected like some big old hunk of. It also has electric windows, cooled seats, electric seats as well. Oh yeah, and talking about the manual swap, it would be cool to put a turbo on it, run like 2 pounds of boost, because I know those motors are like really weak. The ultimate plan would be, or is going to be, to LS swap it with the T56, but it's supposed to be my budget daily, and it's hot as hell here in Texas, and if I did that I wouldn't have AC, unless there's a way to make an AC system from an LS truck work in the car. I don't know how that would work, because the LS wiring and all that doesn't communicate with the BMW AC wiring and stuff. I think that's it. I may be stupid, but let me know if I'm wrong. That's what I would like to ultimately do with it. You know, one build and then the other, maybe after I do a little bit on this one, I can get another budget daily and then LS swap this. So alright, so I guess everything that needs to be done is just cosmetic. Luckily there's no major engine issues besides a little oil leak right there, but it's a BMW, so what are you gonna do? I guess M3 bumpers, side skirts, M5. I have to look and see what all there is out there for the 325i. I know I need new emblems. I'm gonna need new wheels now since I saw that curb rash, but it's a budget daily, so maybe we could find some used old M3 wheels or something. Yeah. I can't think of anything else right now. I know they have fog lights in one of the bumpers. Maybe we could do that. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Take it easy.